Hello, and welcome back. Fresh off unboxing the BrewTools B80Pro, I'm going to dive straight back into the mix and unbox the B80Pro steam hat. So without further ado, let's get involved. Okay. Bit of packing paper, don't need that. Some instructions. Okay. So there's the rubber bung for the viewing hole and hop adding hole. There you go, so that comes with that, so that's nice. Just a cap for that. Silicone gasket for the lid. Which I mentioned in my previous video, was a little bit disappointing that the B80Pro vessel itself didn't come with one of these for the main lid. For me, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be using the steam hat primarily anyway. But for the cost of the main unit, I think it was a bit cheap to not really include a tiny piece of silicone rubber or whatever it is. Just personal opinion, but okay. Alright, so nice sturdy handles, look grey. I'm not sure if the black's just, I don't know, a bit funny, but yeah, it looks nice and solid, comfortable handles. Catches for obviously clipping, sealing the steam hat to the main vessel once you're in action. Spring loaded, very solid. Looks like a fairly nice weld from what I can tell. Not a welder, but looks pretty nice to me. And again, you know, even though it's stainless steel and you kind of expect a certain level of quality, it's a really solid piece. You know, it's it's a good thickness. Really not kind of scrimping there at all. It's not a cheap piece of crap whatsoever. And it's not a cheap piece of crap because it costs £280. So, but again, for me, this is ideal because it's going to help my ventilation situation. So you can attach onto this a condenser unit that you buy separately. For now, I'm going to add the kind of extension pipe, which I do have somewhere. Where do I have it? I don't know. Do I have it actually? I think I've got it stored somewhere else, but never mind. But it basically just extends this by about, I don't know, 6 inches or so, and it just gives you a little bit more kind of a bit more of something to play with. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a tumble dryer flexible pipe, and I use a 4-inch tri-clamp, not tri-clamp but a Jubilee clip, to just kind of attach it and pipe the steam out of the window. So that's going to be an ideal interim solution for me. So okay, so yeah, I mean there's not much else to kind of say about it really. Nice shiny piece of steel, very very solid, well made, and it's going to be very very useful to use in conjunction with the B80Pro. So thanks for watching, and I shall move on to the accessories that come with the B80Pro shortly. See you soon.